Hello friends. Often students are confused whether the division that they have carried out is correct or not. So we need some a method through which you can check out the division process and whether the quotient and remainder you have obtained is correct or not. So Vedic mathematics has the answer to this also. Well, the single digit concept, single digit number for every number. This concept can be used to check the accuracy of division. Now I'm going to take up one or two examples and let you know how you can check whether your division is correct or not. So let's take an example of a number 7563 which is being divided by 64. Now the child carries out division in the traditional manner. 64 ones are 64. Then he subtracts, takes one down. So 64 ones are 64 again. Then subtract 52, takes 3 down, and 8 times 8 fours are 32, 48 and 351. Then again subtracts and gets the remainder like this. Now we want to check whether this division is correct or not. Obviously, we all know the division algorithm, that is dividend is always equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now this is one way of checking whether this division is correct or not. Just substitute the values of the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder here. If or if simplification of this RHS gives you the LHS, then your division is correct. But again, that is a time consuming process. So all you need to do here is to find the single number for the four things I have written down here: dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. We need to write the single digit. Now what is single digit? See, this is quotient. The quotient single digit. See, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10. So 10 is again a two digit number. So add the digits 1 plus 0, 1. So quotient single digit is 1. Likewise, the divisor 6 plus 4, 10. 10 means 1 plus 0, 1. So divisor also, the single digit is 1. Now check the dividend. 7 plus 5, 12. Plus 6, 18. Plus 3, 21. 21 means 2 plus 1, 3. So dividend has single digit 3. And finally, the remainder single digit 1 plus 1, 2. So we have found out the single digit of the four things, and now let us just substitute the single digits in this expression which we have written here. Dividend is 3, divisor 1, quotient 1, remainder 2. So very simple. 3 equal to 1 into 1 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. So since we are getting the same single digit on the left hand side and right hand side of this expression, therefore our division is correct. So this is a one step method, Vedic method of checking whether a division is correct or not. So I'm sure this finding single digit is a oral process, and if you multiply the divisor by quotient and then add the remainder, then obviously it is going to consume 3 times the time taken by this method. So let's take one more example and understand how this process is carried out. Say we take 5634 and divide it by 52. So 52 ones are 52, 4, 3. So we'll have to put a 0, 4 down. So 8 times 8 to the 16, 416. Subtract, you get 18. Now see, we have carried out the division process. Now dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now see the dividend. 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 means 1 plus 8 9. Divisor 5 plus 2 7, quotient 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 8 9, remainder 1 plus 8 9. Now check, 9 sevens are 63, 63 plus 9 72, and what is the single digit of 72? It is again 9, so 9 equal to 9. So division is correct. So you need to reduce everything into single digit and you can check out whether the division is correct or not. So if this single digit comes different on left hand side and right hand side, then your division process is wrong. So I'm sure it is a very good process, and similar to this you can check out the accuracy of addition and subtraction also. I've already posted videos for that. So if you like the video, do share it among small children